Fear is a master of disguise. It's sneaky, wrapping itself in the respectable cloaks of logic, caution, and reason. It's the sensible voice that tells you, it's not the right time, or you're not ready yet. It builds a fortress of practical objections, brick by brick, until the dream you once held feels foolish and out of reach. But if you strip away the justifications, if you look past the well-argued excuses, you'll find it. Behind it all, it's still fear, the persistent, quiet voice that tells you not to try, not to risk, not to begin. It's the anchor that promises safety, but keeps you moored in the same familiar harbor. Courage, on the other hand, is often misunderstood. It isn't the absence of fear. True courage doesn't mean you're not afraid. It means you feel the tremor in your hands, you hear the doubt in your mind, and you decide to take the step anyway. It's doing it being afraid. Fear will always be there to greet you at the edge of your comfort zone. It will whisper an endless stream of anxieties. What if you fail in front of everyone? What if you lose what you already have? What if you make the wrong choice? Fear will always ask, what if it all goes wrong? But courage offers a different perspective. It gently interrupts the cycle of doubt with a question of its own. It doesn't ignore the risk, but it illuminates the possibility. Courage whispers back, but what if it all goes right? What if this is the best decision you've ever made? What if this is the beginning of everything you've ever wanted? That is the choice we face every day, in moments big and small. Which voice will you amplify? The one that keeps you safe in the familiar, or the one that invites you into the extraordinary? Let courage be louder than your fear, and watch how far you'll go.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.